Hello students, good afternoon to all. So today we will start new exercise self practice 3C. First, before that I will solve one question of self practice 3B of question number 2 part C, in which we have to take the sum of the given denominator. First you see that question. Self practice 3B, question number 2 part C. Question number 2 part C. One student has asked a doubt about that. So 1 by 4, these are the given rational numbers and we have to arrange it in the ascending order from least to greatest. We have to arrange the given rational numbers 1 by 4, 4 by 5, 0, minus 2, 3 by 4, one by 4, 4 by 5, 0, minus 7 by 10 is there. Minus 7 by 10, minus 0.8. We have to arrange these numbers in the ascending order. Now see, first of all we find the LCM of 4, 5 and 10. And this 0.8 can also be written as 8 by 10. So we can write in that form. Now see 1 by 4, 4 by 5, 0 you can write 0 by 10, minus 7 by 10, minus 8 by 10. 0.8 can be written as 8 by 10. 0.8 can be written as 8 by 10. The place value of this 8 is what? 10th place. 10th means 1 by 10. 1/10th place. So now we find the LCM of 4, 5 and 10. So LCM of the 4, 5 and 10 is what? 20. So you will get the LCM of 4, 5 and 10 and 20. So what you multiply in 4 to get 25? 4, 5 are 20. So you multiply 5 in 1 also. So it will become 5 1 are 5. 5 here also we multiply. And 5 here also we multiply. Now this will become 20. So 1 5 are 5, 5 by 20. Now what you multiply in 5 to get 20? 4. So multiply the numerator also. So 4 here, 4 in the numerator also. 4 4 is 16, 16 by 20. Here 0 by 20. Multiply 2. Here also and here also. So it will be the 0 only. 0 by 20 means 0. Now here in this multiply 2 here, 10 to the 20 and 7 to the 14. So here you will get a minus 14 by 20. Minus 14 by 20. Here multiply 10 by 2 and it also 2. So what you will get? A minus 16 by 20. Now see, all the denominators are same. Now this becomes the right fraction. Now you can compare very easily. Which numerator is smallest? Here the least, because it is arranged in the least to greatest. Minus 16 is the smallest numerator. So what you write? Minus 16 by 20 is the smallest. Less than. After that minus 14 by 20. After that this 0. 0 by 20 means 0. After that 5 by 20 is this. Now after that 16 by 20 is the largest value. Now what are the actual number? Minus 16 by 20 is the equivalent rational number of 4 by 5. So on this list we write what? Minus 16 by 20 is the equivalent of minus 0.8. So what we write? Minus 0.8. Now we are going to write the equivalent value of this. Less than. Minus 14 by 20's equivalent is what? Its original minus 7 by 20. So what we write? Minus 7 by 10. Less than 0. Less than 5 by 20. You see 5 by 20's value is 1 by 4. Less than 16 by 20. Value is 4 by 5. Like this we have to write. Least to greatest. Now we move to the new exercise, self practice 3C. If any in any exercise, in any question you have a problem, So you write the exercise number and the question number and send me on my WhatsApp number. So I will solve that your doubt. I will solve that question in the next class. Okay. So now we move to the new exercise, self practice 3C. Similarly, you do the remaining question D part and B part. Okay. Then also you have to take the LCM. Like the same manner you have to solve the other questions also. Now self practice to 3C. First question, find sum. In this we have to find sum. Find each sum. So question number A, I am going to do 1 by 5 plus 2 upon minus 5. So see how you find the sum. Here plus minus means minus. Okay. So if it is in the standard form rational number, how you write? Make the denominator positive. So when you make the denominator positive, it will become 1 by 5 plus, that is minus 2 by 5. That I am putting in the bracket. Now this plus, when this plus will multiply with this minus, it will become minus. So now next time what I am write? 1 by 5 plus minus minus product of two consecutive signs. Here see, the product of one positive and negative always gives negative. Product of unlike signs gives negative. So it will become minus 2 by 5. Now both the denominator are same. Take the denominator common and subtract the numerator. 1 minus 2. So what 1 minus 2 gives you? Minus 1 by 5. Like this you have to do. Okay. Now I am going to solve the next question. Question number E. Question number E. 1E. 1 3 by 4. This is the mixed fraction form. 1 3 by 4 plus, and in bracket minus 1 1 by 4. Minus 1 1 by 4. That we have to solve. So again first what we do? We write 4 1 convert this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So how we convert? 4 1 4 multiply. This is called the mixed number. 1 is the mixed number, 4 is the denominator, 3 is the numerator. So we multiply the denominator with the mixed number, that is 4 into 1 plus numerator 3 by denominator 4 plus minus minus 4 1 4 plus 1, that is 4 multiplied by 1 plus 1 by 4. Now the next step you see 4 1 4 plus 3 7 by 4. So what you get? 7 by 4. Here 4 1 4 plus 1 5 by 4, that is minus 5 by 4. Now take the denominator 4 common. Now when you subtract the numerator, 7 minus 5 gives you what? 2. 2 by 4. Now it will be simplified as 1 by 2. Because 2 and 4 both are divisible by 2. That is 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. What I got the result? 1 by 2. Okay. So now I move to the next question. Question number 1G. Now see the question number 1G. Minus 4 by 15 plus 4 upon minus 15 plus minus 4 upon 15. So again you see here some rational numbers are not in the standard form, because any rational number which have the denominator negative is not in the standard form. So first you make it in the standard form. So first of all, when I make it in the standard form, minus 4 by 15, here it will be plus, and in the standard form it will become minus 4 by 15. Make the numerator negative, not denominator. Here plus minus gives you minus 4 by 15. Now see, this plus minus when multiplied, what it will give? Minus. So minus 4 by 15 plus minus minus 4 by 15 minus 4 by 15. Now we take the denominator common, that is 15. Add on the numerators, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. Minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. See, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. It will give you what? Minus 12. Now, minus 12 by 15. Now both are divisible by 12 and 15, both are divisible by 3. So 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. So answer will be minus 4 by 5. Again, what you got the result? Minus 4 by 5. So now we move to the next question, subtraction. 2a. Subtraction 2a. What do you have to do? Subtract. The question is subtract minus 5 by 6. 2a subtract minus 5 by 6 from 1 by 6. So what we have to subtract? We have to subtract minus 5 by 6. The statement of this means subtract minus 5 by 6 from 1 by 6. So in this, from this number I have to subtract this one. So in the statement we write 1 by 6, from this I have to subtract minus 5 by 6. Subtract means minus, and what I have to subtract, that is a negative number, minus 5 by 6. Subtract means minus, and I have to subtract this minus 5 by 6 from 1 by 6. See, subtract minus 5 by 6 from 1 by 6. Now 1 by 6 minus minus plus 5 by 6. Numerator are same, take common. Now add the numerator, 1 plus 5 gives you 6. Now 6 by 6 equals to 1. What do you get the result? 1. Like this you have to do. Now let's solve question number D. 2D. B and C, I am leaving the homework. I am leaving for the homework. Minus 1 3 by 10. Subtract minus 1 3 by what? Subtract minus 1 3 by 10. Subtract minus 1 3 by 10 from 7 1 upon minus 10. 7 1 upon minus 10. Again it is not in the standard form. So how we write this number? This in the standard form we can write minus so that is the 10 7 just that we write 7 minus 7 1 by 10 in the standard form. Subtract means minus, and what I have to subtract? Minus 1 3 by 10. So this is the standard form. Minus 1 3 by 10 is the standard form. So this is not in the standard form. First I have converted in the standard form. Now see in the next step what will be. 10 7 just 70 plus 1 71, that is minus 71. So minus 71 by 10 minus minus plus. When this two product of two like signs, product of two same signs will give you the product positive. So product of two like signs is always positive. 10 1 is 10 plus 3 13 by 10. Now take the denominator common, 10. Add the numerators. So minus 71 plus 13. We have to subtract minus 71 plus 13. So 11 minus 3 gives you 8. And 6 minus 1 gives you 5, minus 58. Minus 58 by 10. Now you can simplify it also. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10. So what you will get the result? Minus 29 by 5. Now you can convert it to the mixed fraction. 5 5s are 25, minus 5 4 by 5. Minus 5 4 by 5. Like this we got the answer. Okay. So So this is all for the today, students. In the next class we will solve the remaining question of self practice 3C. Thank you for your kind attention.